today I'm actually at my good friend Anne's house, and we have Ashlyn today and we have Bernadette, and they are going to do a really good dish that I absolutely love. And so Ashlyn, you want to tell us a little bit about what you're doing?
Today we're going to be baking a Filipino dessert called Bibingka. Bibingka is a type of rice cake that is a Filipino dessert, and it's usually made around holidays or parties, and it's usually made around Christmas time.
Ooh, or anytime, right?
Yeah.
I'm here. I'm so excited to try it now. Okay, so Bernadette's going to be your helper, and we'll be right back to go over the ingredients.
And these are going to be the ingredients you're going to need to bake bibingka. So first off, you're going to need 1 box of rice flour, and you can find it at like the RN market, or sometimes Save Mart has it, or like any Asian market. And then you're going to need 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then 1 can of coconut milk and 1 can of evaporated milk. And you're going to need to shake them up first because you don't want the batter to be clumpy or thick. You want it just liquid. And then next you're going to need 2 cups of sugar, and then 5 eggs, and then 1 cup of melted butter.
Okay.
And then you'll need cupcake liners, and just like an extra pan for the leftover.
Okay, so it'll make about approximately, you said 24 cupcakes. Or 24.
Yeah, 24.
And then if we have leftover, we'll get an extra pan.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay, we'll be back to get started. I'm so excited.
Okay, so first we're going to put in our sweet rice flour inside the mixer. You're going to need a full box of it. And then second, you're going to put in your 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
One teaspoon of vanilla extract.
And then next we're going to put in 1 can of coconut milk and 1 can of evaporated milk.
And you said that she has to shake them first.
Yeah, shake them very well.
Go ahead and shake.
And now we're adding our 1 can of evaporated milk.
And then we're adding our 1 can of coconut milk.
Now we're going to be adding our 2 cups of sugar to the mixture.
And then we're going to be adding our 5 eggs.
And then now we're going to be adding our 2 sticks of butter.
Known as 1 cup.
Yeah.
Melted.
Yeah, melted.
So now we're going to be mixing our mixture, and you're going to mix it until there's absolutely no clumps in it. Get all the edges so there's no clumps, or you get everything that's in the mixture. Butter spray or oil spray our cupcake liners so it won't stick to the pan.
And now you can just oil them. If you run out of the spray, you just put some oil in.
And now we're gonna use like a 1 cup to get the mixture out of the bowl. And now we're gonna pour it into the cupcake liners. And you're gonna wanna fill it about 3/4 way or 1/2 way. Just like that.
So I'm continuing to fill up the next batch.
Preheat our oven at 375 degrees. And now we're gonna put these in the oven for about 25 minutes to 30 minutes. It depends on your oven. If it works really well, then do 25 to 30 minutes. If it's like kind of old, then maybe for about 40 minutes.
Now, how do you check it? Like, do they have to turn lightly brown, or just you need a toothpick or anything?
You can do the toothpick way if poke it in the middle, and if nothing comes out, then it's good. Or it could be like golden brown around the sides. You don't want it too burnt, because then it's not really gonna taste good.
Okay, they're going into the oven. They're done. She's gonna take them out.
Now they're done, and it was we put it in the oven for exactly 25 minutes, and this is how it turned out. And you want to let them cool for about 5 to 10 minutes.
Share about what your mom said. These can be eaten when?
Okay, so basically these bibinkas can be eaten during morning, with coffee, or just basically any time, any day.
Dessert for dinner, or you can have it as a snack too, like whenever you're hungry or something, but you can do it whenever. Okay, now that they cooled off for about 10 minutes, it's ready, and it looks very good, and it's crispy around the edges, just how we like it. And now we're gonna eat it.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Okay. Delicious.
Yes, very much.
And now we'll be reading the scripture of the day, which is found in Romans 8:39. Nothing in all creation will ever be able to separate us from the love of God.
Now time for the scripture of the day. Act justly, love mercy, walk humbly. Micah 6:8. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Make sure to try it out. Make sure you click the bell, subscribe to Maria's Kitchen, and make sure to like.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, girls, so much. I'm enjoying this, and everybody's going to want to make this, so stay tuned. Bye.